Right, the service lift. Let's go ride a lift. But it's locked. I can't ride it. Oh, but I can, because I've got a Duhas key. And now go along to the main glass lift in the shopping centre. This is a hydraulic cone M series lift which has been horribly modernised by 21st century lifts. This lift goes from the lower food court area, lower mount, upper mount and this top level. And I didn't manage to ride this lift because it is so fucking busy. And now go along outside this shopping centre and along to this lift is going up. And what am I doing? Unauthorised surfing? Oh no! And now go along to the next lift, which is a really nice old Pickering's in CNH fabrics. Sadly, since last time I was here, it's had its logic replaced. Oh, that's really disappointing. It sounds like Leicester controls. Anyway, at least the lift buttons are still original and it's still a really nice lift. Let's ride it in the next video.